Hello everybody, welcome back to Under the Ears. It's Juliet. I'm going to be doing two videos pretty close to back, so we can go through and kind of catch up. Okay, so here we've got more Disneyland pins. These were released the second week of July. Disneyland Resort's 63rd anniversary celebration pin, available at Disneyland at Disneyland Resorts as of July 12th. There is a piece of land, Resort History 60th Castle. This is available. This is so cute with little Tinkerbell. They're limited edition and they're $16.99 and they're available at the Disneyland Resort as of July 12th, 2018. Walt Disney World Resort pins. We've got Rock and Roller Coaster guitar pin that is available in Disney's Hollywood Studios. I Conquered Rock and Roller Coaster is a new edition, open edition pin spotted at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and it's $12.99. Okay, shaped pins released at Disneyland Resort and Walt Disney World. So here we've got a pilot, Thai pilot, and it is available at Disneyland as well as Disney World, and they are running $17.99. It's a limited edition of only 4,000 though. Then we've got the Jack Skellington pin. It's $9.99 and it's available at Disney World or Disneyland. Then we have the Jack's Castle pin. This is a new edition of Jack Skellington pin. It's $9.99 and it's available at Disney World and Disneyland. The Jack is Back spinner pin is an open edition and it is $12.99 and it is from Disneyland and Disney World Resort. The Jack Face pin, which is another open edition, and it's $9.99 and available at Disneyland or Walt Disney World. The Jack and Sally pin is also open edition and it's $9.99 and available at Disneyland or Walt Disney World. And then Her Sally, His Jack, which is so cute for a couple, which is an open edition and features two different pins, is $14.99. It's available at Disneyland or Walt Disney World Resort. So that's what we have for the second week in July. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And have a great day. Make sure to have a magical day. And make sure to work to live your dream.